So you want to know how babies are really made? Then you've come to the right place. Most people think they know how babies are made, but do you really? We don't think you do. So in this short video series, we're going to tell you what it really takes to actually make a baby. In this first video, we're going to focus on a process called Meiosis 1. Let's take a closer look. These are cells, the smallest unit of life that exists. Some organisms only have one cell, while humans on the other hand have an estimated 100 trillion. That's a lot of cells. Amazingly, we start with just two, one from mom and one from dad. Uh-oh, we all know where this is going. Yep, reproduction. We all know about the act of reproducing, but now it's time to find out what's actually going on inside our bodies. Let's take a look. Here we have two human cells, one from mom and one from dad. But before they can combine and form an embryo, they must first go through a process called meiosis. Meiosis is a very complicated process consisting of many phases. In this video, we're just going to focus on meiosis 1. Meiosis 1 is broken down into 4 stages: prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, and telophase. In prophase, the duplicated chromosomes, the blue and orange things that are shaped like X's, condense so they can easily move around in the cell and the nuclear envelope, which is the black circle, and that breaks down. Then the microtubules, the little yellow things, begin to form. In metaphase 1, the homologous pairs, the pairs of chromosomes, randomly line up in the middle of the cell, and the microtubules bind to the chromosomes near the centromere, which is the middle part where the chromosomes form an X, which is represented in this diagram by a bead. In anaphase 1, the microtubules begin to shorten, which separates the homologous pairs of chromosomes from each other, and the cell begins to cleave or split into two. In telophase, new nuclear envelopes reform around the chromosomes. Yay! Now we have created 2 new daughter cells that contain 1 copy of each chromosome. That's all the time we have for now. Be sure to tune in next week when we can talk about meiosis 2, where we show you how these new daughter cells split again and become sex cells, the sperm and egg, that combine to make the baby. Thanks for watching. See you next time.